In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Brave shields for a specific site in Brave browser. If you've noticed that a website isn't loading correctly, videos won't play, or certain buttons won't respond, Brave's built-in protections, called shields, might be filtering something the site needs. Shields are there to block trackers, intrusive ads, and other unwanted scripts, but sometimes a site relies on those elements to function. The good news is you can turn shields off for just that one site, without affecting your protection anywhere else. Here's how to do it smoothly and safely. First, go to the website where you're experiencing issues or where you want to allow everything to run. Make sure the page is open and active. Now look at the top right area of the address bar in Brave. You'll see a small lion icon. That's the Brave Shields control. Click that lion while you're on the site in question. This opens a compact panel that shows what's being blocked and gives you control over protections for this specific site. Inside that panel, you'll find a main switch. Toggle that switch off to disable shields for the current site. When you do this, Brave stops blocking trackers, ads, and other scripts on that one site. You should see the icon and panel reflect the change. If you simply want to loosen protections rather than turn them off entirely, you can leave the main switch on and adjust individual settings instead. For example, you can change trackers and ads blocking to a lighter setting so core site features can load, while still keeping some privacy protection in place. This is helpful if disabling everything feels too broad. Keep in mind that these controls are per site, meaning Brave remembers your choice the next time you visit that same website. You're not turning off protections globally across all sites. If a page doesn't update right away after you change the setting, give it a moment or navigate within the site so it can reload with the new permissions. When you're done and want those protections back, repeat the same steps. Click the lion icon on that site and toggle the main switch back on, or restore the individual settings to your preference. A quick note on privacy and security. Turning off shields allows the site to run more of its code, which can improve functionality but may reduce privacy on that page. Use it when you trust the site and need full compatibility and prefer adjusting individual settings if you want a balanced approach. That's all there is to it. Click the lion, toggle the main switch, or fine-tune the settings, and you're in control of how each site behaves in Brave.